Hello everybody, welcome to IT Skills channel. My name is Aiden. In today's video, we're going to talk about Microsoft news. This is not the news I like to report, but we got to talk about this. And what did this mean for us? Because it's all about AI. AI have came a long way in just in space of a year and a half, I believe. But now we're dealing with an even more trending AI news that's going to be not good. A couple years ago, we've been seeing many deepfake videos, and those deepfake videos are like this.
Entering an era in which our enemies can make it look like anyone is saying anything at any point in time, even if they would never say those things. So, for instance, they could have me say things like, I don't know, Killmonger was right, or Ben Carson is in the sunken place, or, how about this, simply, President Trump is a total and complete dipshit.
They're basically not good. And then now you can see in this headline today, Microsoft Vasa 1 can now deepfake anybody from one single photo. Get this, your one single post that you put on either LinkedIn, your Facebook, or maybe other social media product like Twitter will now get deepfaked by this AI tool. This AI tool is serious, and Microsoft is proud of it. The this is revealed by the Asia and Microsoft research team, and it's called Vesa 1. Again, it's all great if it can be used the same, but what this AI tool can do is it's gonna synchronize an animated, basically video of a person talking from a single photo, and is also gonna be able to do lip sync. You can upload like let's just say
Yo, I'm a paparazzi. I don't play no Yahtzee. I go pop, 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 pop. My camera's up your crotch. See, I tell the truth from what I see and sell it to Perez Hilty. Don't call me scuzzy, making money. That's my job, celeb photography. What? Hell no, I'm not needy. I'm legit, not stalkerazzi. Don't act so hotsy.
a script to do something for you, and maybe you want somebody to admit to them doing something negative. You could basically take their photo, make a deepfake video of it. This is how it works. You get an image of a person, you upload it.
But you know what I decided to do? I decided to focus my attention, all my time on listening. So instead of doing something else, I just listened, listened, and listened. Because I'm a true believer that if you're really bad at something like listening, for example, it only shows you that, hey, you have to practice listening as much as you can.
We introduce Vasa, a framework for generating lifelike talking faces with appealing visual affective skills, given a single static image and a speech audio clip. Our model is capable of not only producing lip movements that are exquisitely synchronized with the audio, but also capturing a large spectrum of facial nuances and natural head motions that contribute to the perception of authenticity and liveliness. The core innovations include a holistic facial dynamics and head movement generation model that works in a face latent space, and the development of such an expressive and disentangled face latent space using video.
Wow, I'm impressed. I gotta be honest, I'm super impressed, but still, I'm also human. I know what people think of. I work in IT. I seen humanity, what they do whenever situation like this happens. They get crazy. They start to get super creative about it. They will, and it's almost a matter of time. They will get somebody who's criminal to start using this. You're gonna see a lot of craziness going on. Hopefully, they don't release this. To anybody, but I got a feeling with anything else, it's just a matter of time. I know this. This is for education, obviously. We need to teach each other this. But all of us in this channel won't do that stuff. But there are criminals out there, just like anybody in the world who can tell you that you can get a good product and not everybody will use it the right way. And I don't know what Microsoft's thinking. Maybe Microsoft's point of view is that they want this technology to be available so people can make educational video. Maybe people can make you know a person they loved who is not able to talk, whatever. It's just they can use it for positive things, but also I can see a lot of negative usage from this. People can now deep fake into a person to committing a crime. They can deep fake into a person saying you know, I so and so approve this message, like political campaign. We have election coming up in November. People now can deepfake one candidate to say something. It's already fluctuating online. How we saw, former President Trump was posing with a couple of black people in, showing that he's cool with the black people, but that was not him. That was AI generated, and it was being shared by millions. We're seeing a lot of effects of this. But the problem is that with this tool made by Microsoft, it's gonna become a real issue. I mean, for example, it's just gonna make people feel like, you know what, I don't need to work hard. I just need to take a video of something, of a photo of me, and make a content that I don't even know anything about. It's gonna make YouTube content creation interesting. Let's just say that, because you can tell, like, being a small time YouTuber or being a big time YouTuber, the job is still the same. It's hard work. It's a lot of takes a lot of effort. And if you get this tool, you take a picture and you make a video about talking about whatever, maybe scientific topic that's not true, then you can literally start to sway society into a darkness. And that's where this tool, I think, is going to be a problem. But yeah, it's out there. I mean, it's not released to the public yet, but the fact that they done it, meaning that somebody's going to get a hold of it. Even if Microsoft doesn't release this, I can almost guarantee you that another company will try to get a hold of it, or make a similar product. There are already some tools out there that can do this, by the way. It's not just Microsoft being the bad guy. But the fact of the matter is that they are now indulging in this crazy practice. It just tells you.
Instead of trying to make something that is done work, it's like the invitation is to make the decision, commit to that, and to start creating what comes next. But here's the thing: when we say no to something, we're saying yes to something else, but that involves a lot of unknown. And that is scary. I have many videos as to why that is scary. Actually, you can check one out right here. But the unknown is scary. And so we we're doing the best we can with it, with like,
Again, this lady, you gotta admit, this AI is super sick and super cool at the same time. Like, this photo of this lady, we don't know what her situation is. She could be alive, she could be diseased, she could be somewhere she don't even know what's going on. But they took the sample photo. Now I'm talking like, she's showing emotions. She's showing the human imperfection. A lot of time people catch their deepfake AI tools or deepfake videos because they show no imperfection, or they show maybe it's like something too easy to see. But this lady shows like, she's normal. She has this, facial expression, body movement. It's like she's a real person, but she's not. And that's where AI is gonna get us. I feel like, as humanity, we're gonna fall for AI tricks. We're gonna start hitting each other. We're gonna start to feel like a relationship is gonna get broken, because if a person wants to break somebody up now, or a couple, or mess up somebody's life, all they have to do is take that photo and make something like this. This is scary. I want to know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think this is us, something that could threaten us, in the next couple years, maybe next couple months, or do you think this is just it's gonna get regulated and it's gonna be controlled down by the government? Because I personally don't think the government has any clue of what's going on with the AI world, and they're not gonna do anything to fix this mess. And if anything else, they may be, wait too long until it gets out of control, and then people start to get, murder and etc. But this is another sample of what it looks like. Let's look at it here, and this one. This is how it works. It tells you how it works basically. You upload an image. Wow, yeah. Welcome to the era of scam. But that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's a longer video than I expected to make, but this got me super cracking up about it. It's not funny, but I had to laugh about it, especially the Mona Lisa video. That is very hilarious. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this type of content. If you do, please give a like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Talk to you next time. Peace.